Hi guys, welcome to this week's video, or video, whatever today is, whenever I decide to release it. So I'm going to be opening up the Slim Shady LP poster art collection that they released. I tried to get the signed ones, but I'm too slow because I'm in Australia. It gets released at, you know, in the middle of the night here, and it was also like $2 or something. But anyway, so they sent it along in this nice little pizza box. Pizza? Does anyone else find that funny? So I went ahead and just cut open all the sides so I can open the pizza and we'll see what's inside. I've collected a few things of Eminem's collections that he's released. I've got the dog tags that were made from the timber from his childhood home. Tried to get the brick, I couldn't get the brick, and now it's really expensive. Again, because I'm in Australia, I can't get the damn thing in time. And they always seem to be sold out by the time I get on there. So that's a shame. I really did want the brick, but oh well. So I've got some paper. It's bubble wrapped, which is good. And packaged really nicely, so there's no chance of any damage, which is really good. It's packaged in the cardboard with some bubble wrap. So let's have a look at these drawing pizzas. So I kind of wanted to put these in a frame and hang them somewhere. I'm not too sure yet. I'll probably just hoard them like I've hoarded everything else that I bought of his. Let's see. Get away, cat. Alright, so we have, this is what we have. Pretty cool. In this little envelope with these little corner things so they don't get bent, which is really cool. Pretty cool how they package this. See if I can get it out. Cool. Okay. Cats. Cats. Yeah. There's cats. Alright. So, we have a certificate of authenticity, which is really cool. Awesome. And then we have the prints. So, IKEA. Awesome. So we've got Slim Shady embossed down the bottom here. I don't know how well you can pick that up, but the illustrations for it were from Scram, I think his name is. So then we have another pill. I don't want to put them out of order. Then we have a zombie dude. Cool. And we have mushrooms. And we have the closed version. I have a syringe and my cat's fighting. And then finally we've got that one. The trailer. Pretty cool. Quite happy with that. I probably would like to frame them. I'm not too sure what the paper is. They look like Ziclay or whatever. Cool. So that's that. Yeah. I couldn't really get anything else from the collection release. There was some clothing and stuff, but yeah, I didn't get any of that. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't know what's left, if anybody wanted to go and purchase anything. I don't know what's left, so have a look. I'm glad I got these. They're really, really cool. I've always liked the artwork from that CD since I was a kid. So yeah, pretty happy to have it in my M&M collection. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching that and found it a little bit more interesting. But yeah, I'll probably catch you in the next one. Bye.